Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up 301 redirects using page rules in Cloudflare. So firstly, you need to open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down Cloudflare and enter it, and from here select this Cloudflare. So over here in the left hand side there's a domain. Select this domain and select finish setup. Finish setup. And over here on the left hand side you need to choose this DNS. And from this DNS, simply select this records. And under this record, make sure all of the proxy status are proxied. And after you're done, what you need to do is, in the left hand side, scroll a bit down and select rules. And over here, you need to go to this page rules. And over here, what you need to do is select this create page rule beside it. So over here, you need to create a page rule for bvisor or any of the old domain. So simply type down the URL and .com after that, and you can also pick a setting here. And after you're done, you can simply save and deploy page URL. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.